Today we'll be talking about why your hair isn't growing, or reasons why your hair could not be growing. You might need to sit down for this one, man. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For all my return viewers, if you have subscribed so far, you've been watching Pasamatic Grow. What's up, man? I want to know whoever be watching my videos. Make sure you go into the comment section right now and comment what's up. But anyways, let's get down to the bottom of this issue. I mean, I'm standing up right now, but since this is a serious issue, I think you might need to sit down for this one. Because tip number one, or issue number one, is simple as overwashing your hair. Man, you guys out there washing your hair like every 2-3 days and expect, for it to grow or get longer or get thicker or whatever your goal was for your hair. Overwashing is a dead roadkill right there, because when you overwash your hair, basically what you're doing is that you're washing out all the natural oils that your hair produces itself for it to grow. You're washing out that environment right there for your hair to grow. Once you wash out those natural oils, man, you just slow down the growth of your hair. Tip number two is that you blame it on genetics. Come on, man. Shit. I'm black. I got hair. Black people got good hair, you know what I'm saying? You looking over at your buddy or a neighbor or whatever. Oh, yeah, you got a little bit of Indian in your family. Y'all got nice hair. Yeah, they got nice hair, but still, don't use that as an excuse and just give up and like, okay, I'm not gonna grow my hair out anymore. It's too long, whatever. Also, you need patience in the game, you know what I'm saying? Stop blaming on genetics. It's not always down that road. Keep fighting, player. Keep fighting. Tip number three is that you're afraid to try something new with your hair. For example, let's just use the shampoo, my shampoo example. You're using a shampoo or conditioner right now, I'm pretty sure that your mom or your grandma been using, and you just seen them use that and that you've been using so far. Let me see, Pantene. You're probably using Pantene right now. Come again, I'm not dissing Pantene or anything like that. It actually works for some people, but not because your grandma or your mom or your sister or your aunt or your cousin or your niece using Pantene mean you have to use it. You need to go out there and find products that works for you and stick to it. You know what I'm saying? Introduce a little vitamins and stuff for your hair. You know what I'm saying? It wouldn't hurt. I'm not saying go out there and just go crazy and like change up everything that you're doing, whatever, but you watching this video right now because your hair isn't growing and you want your hair to grow, or you're just curious to see what I'm doing. But I'm telling you right now, if your hair isn't growing, change up your routine, man, because you've been using it for so long and your hair is still not growing. Change it up. Throw out that Pantene. Go out there and get you something that works for you. Tip number 4 is that you might be doing this entire thing the wrong way. Totally the wrong way. You're looking at everybody else's video and stuff and like, take a little bit of here, a little bit of there, a little bit of this, a little bit of that from what everyone else is doing and like, trying to apply it to you. Stop it. Slow down. You need to really like listen to your hair if you're trying to grow. You need to do things and see, how it reacts. Don't get me wrong. Don't go crazy now and then get bald and be like, oh, Pasamatic told me to do this. Nah. Don't be doing that. But you need to listen to your hair. Like, just listen to it. It actually speaks to be like, oh, okay, yeah, this not gonna work at all. You know what I'm saying? Be like, oh, yeah, we don't like that. You need to listen to your hair. Look at it, how it reacts with certain stuff that you use on it. Oils, gels, whatever you do. Watch how it reacts. You need to listen to your hair more often. I mean, for real with you. It might sound silly and everything, or like, ooh, scary, whatever, but you need to listen to your hair. You're not listening to your hair. You need to listen to your hair some more. Number 5 is you're not letting your hair de-stress. like you're just fatiguing it all the time, you know, just pulling on it, always braiding it all the time, always combing it out, picking it out, you know, really aggressively and stuff. Your ear could be growing and stuff, but it tends to break. And when you do all that type stuff, pulling on it, picking it out, all that type stuff, always going at it, and plus you got that mentality already, you know, just grow, grow, grow. You know, you just want your ear to grow and everything. But you need to ease the stress on your ear a little bit, which could be simply as doing protective ear styles, you know. Just twist those ends, the ends of your ear up a little bit. Every now and then it really helps to de-stress your ear and limit all that tugging and pulling and stuff from your ear. And that right there could change up your whole game. I actually spoke about that in my previous video. You want to get more in depth about that? Go watch my previous videos. I'll make sure I link them at the end of this video. But I'm also telling you, you need to allow your ear to de-stress, man. You know, you always blow drying it, flat iron it, getting all that heat damage and stuff. It might look great, but your ear is actually fatigue. You know what I'm saying? How would you feel if someone was fatiguing you like that, or, you know, always with you? You wouldn't be happy. And if your ear is not happy, it's not gonna grow. And with all that said and done, if you want to see more videos like this, click on this video right here. Yeah, that one. And even if you want to learn how to grow your hair, buddy, I got you, player.